Hello and welcome to the SMS Marketing Tutorials. In this video, we're going to see how to set up a MultiTrivia campaign. Let's get started. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Then click on the plus button to add new campaign. You'll be directed to a page of different types of campaigns. Click on the MultiTrivia campaign. The shortcode is pre-selected. Enter the keyword. The keyword is unique word or short phrase which people will text to the shortcode to get the trivia questions. The keyword must be 4 or more characters. Give some relevant name to the campaign. Select the start and end date and time for your campaign. Click Save to save your campaign. Now let's add trivia questions to your campaign. Click on Edit Add Questions. Click on Add New Question. Type in the trivia question. When the users send the keyword to the shortcode, they'll receive the trivia question as a text message. The trivia questions may include options for which the user can select their option. Let's add options to your question. Select the correct option by clicking the button next to the option. Click Save to save your question. Let's add another question to the campaign. Click the Add New Question button. Follow the same steps to save your question. You can add more questions or go back to trivia. Click the Back to Trivia button. Select Advanced Settings. Here, you can customize the welcome message and other response messages. Enter the email where you would like to receive completed trivia responses. You can type in your correct answer and incorrect answer response messages. Click Save. Your MultiTrivia campaign has been set and is ready to use. Now, let's test the campaign. To invite participants to take part in the campaign, click on Invite Subscriber. Watch the How to Send Invite video for detailed instructions on how to send an invite. You can also check the status of your invites. Thanks for watching this video.